how to protect yourself best against diseases like COVID-19 during winter months. Well, in this video, you will get the practical, scientific, concluded insights, how to protect yourself or your body best against diseases during wintertime. Welcome to this video. I am Tom Nuyens from the AliveAcademy.com, and after having survived a life-threatening disease when I was 8 years old, and after having studied physical and psychological health, it became my passion to help you, to help nature itself bring your body back into its intended healthy state. Do you know which important vitamin helps to protect our body against diseases like COVID? Regulates our sleep, regulates how fast we age, regulates our autophagy or our cell renewal or regeneration, regulates the health of our microbiome, and also has an anti-inflammatory effect on our body, and is particularly important for our bone health and our immune system function. Now, do you know which vitamin that is? It is vitamin D, also called the sunshine vitamin. And since we are less exposed to the sun in wintertime, it is necessary to make sure we replenish adequate amounts of vitamin D3. Now, few foods contain vitamin D3 naturally. Foods that do contain vitamin D3 include salmon, sardines, egg yolk, organ meat, cod liver oil, etc. Up to 40% of the adult population in the US alone has low vitamin D levels, which can cause health problems. And it can be actually hard to get enough vitamin D each day through sun exposure and through food alone. So taking vitamin D supplementation can help. Now, how much vitamin D do you need according to the Institute of Medicine? According to the Institute of Medicine, a daily vitamin D intake of 1,000 to 4,000 IU or 25 to 100 micrograms should be enough to ensure optimal blood levels in most people. And 4,000 IU is the safe upper limit. Along my journey, I learned that a lot of the conditioned health claims are sometimes flat out wrong. To help you see the trees for the woods again and to give you insights, which helped my body also measure 16 years younger than my actual calendar age, I created free videos with scientific studies included to get back into your natural intended healthy state. Now click here so I can send you the videos. Now I will also include some scientific studies regarding the benefits of vitamin D supplementation during the winter in the description below. Click the I link above and enjoy letting nature itself bring your body back to its intended powerful state.